Getting into civil service is one thing, and after you have got, to remain a civil servant is another thing. Civil servant, there are two words. The Prime Minister has called himself as the Pradhan Sevak. That means principal Sevak of the country. So we as civil servants also must first consider ourselves as Sevaks. And civil means being ethical, moral, compassionate, caring with the people. We are meant for the people. So I would advise you all that please inculcate these habits right now. And that will come provided you keep your minds open and listen to all kinds of people, where your mind becomes compassionate, caring. Knowledge is one thing, but how you deploy that knowledge is another thing. It's very nice to see these days that a lot of boys and girls from rural areas are highly aspirational to get into civil services. Earlier, it was only some elites who were able to do it. So that way, I think India is showing that it has changed so much for the better. And you must focus on how to improve your personalities. Reading, communication, physical fitness, all these things are equally important. So that you should do it right now. That means you must be confident that I can do it. Right now, just to share a personal example. Okay, I was just telling you that how you must be very confident of yourself that yes, you can make it. Because you must strongly believe that if I work sincerely and hard, nothing is impossible. You have seen the examples of our Olympians. How the simple boys and girls from remote areas have made India proud. You have seen several examples like that. You must have heard of Nandurbar collector. That boy who is now collector Nandurbar in tribal district of Maharashtra. He's on videos, you must have seen circulations. Born in a tribal family to a single mother. How he had that aspiration that I should become something. He became a doctor, got an IAS, he's a collector in the same district, and he has done the best work during the COVID time. The whole country recognizes him. So nothing is impossible. However, you must start, as I told you, prepare yourself to do something after you have become. And don't be demoralized if you don't get it. My strong belief is that for all of us, there's something awaiting in this world, in this country. We must try our best. If you get this, good. If you don't get, I'll do something else. With this knowledge that you would have acquired, with so much of competitive spirit you would have acquired, you can be the best anywhere. So I wish you all the best. As they say in Kaya Kave Kailasa. If you do your work sincerely, you are bound to see Kailasa, in one way or the other form. So do that, and I wish you all the best and Godspeed. And the final word I will tell you, which my principal used to tell me in Sainik School, Bijapur. Whatever you become in life, don't forget the soil you come from. That means don't forget your parents, your brothers, sisters, relatives, your villagers. That is very important. Just because you become something, you should not forget them. So it's very important that you keep with these people. Only then you can be a good officer. VP Singh, the former Prime Minister in 1989 told, I don't need civil servants with brains only. I need civil servants with heart. Yes, you need brain, but you need more of heart. So you must carry this brain and heart together. In fact, less brain and more heart. Then you will be a very good officer. So thank you.